Hey everyone, welcome to H&M Tech Tutorial, and this is the best place to learn and explore cool tech stuff. So in this video tutorial I will tell you about the Google Password Manager, how you can access your password with your email if you have login with different websites, with your Facebook and your different platforms. If you have set password, and you can access all those passwords in your single password manager. So let's see how it works. So you can just click on your favorite browser. Once you will open any of your favorite browser, you have to log in with any Gmail account. Once you will log in with Gmail account, you can just click on here and just scroll down. Here you can see password manager. Once you will click on password manager, you can see I have just created a Gmail account, and all those website which I have created account using this email are showing over here. So if you have forgot your password, and you can access those password. If you want to recover or reset your password, you can simple and easily reset your password. So if I created account on adobe.com, and if I forget password and I want to enter a password somewhere else, so what you can do, you can check what password I have entered here. You can simply click on this. Once you will click on this, it will redirect you to your Gmail account password. So what you can do, you can simply enter your Gmail password here. So once you will enter Gmail password, it will redirect you to the adobe.com or any of your website if you want to get the password. So here you can see the password options. Once you click on I button, you can easily recover the password as well. In this way, you can recover all your password from password manager. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and share your thoughts in comment box. I will definitely help you out.